Hello, everybody. This is Attorney Wilberforce Agyekum of Ivy Law Office. It's good to join you again today, and just wanted to talk to you a little bit briefly about T visas. T visas. It's kind of an important category of the visas for the United States. This is basically dealing with victims of human trafficking. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it. If you need to get more detailed information, please feel free to contact us at Ivy Law Office, and I will be happy to assist you with your T visa application. Um, so briefly, what is the T visa? The T visa is a U.S. non-immigrant visa that is issued to victims of human trafficking. This includes both children, minors, and adults. Since there are many people who are smuggled into the U.S. illegally and against their will or on false claims for employment and other benefits, the U.S. allows them to apply for this type of visa to help relieve their hardship caused by this type of trafficking. Now, how is human trafficking defined in this particular type of case? Human trafficking, in this case of the T visa, is defined in detail and has three elements, such as the process of trafficking, which must include either recruitment, transferring, transportation, harboring, or receiving someone against their will. Second, the means of trafficking. The means of trafficking, which must include either coercion, threat, fraud, abduction, deception, deceit, or abuse. Abuse of power. Sounds like the governor of Florida might fit some of these descriptions for what he did with the migrants. Anyway, let's go. Third is the goal of the trafficking. The goal of the trafficking. What is the trafficker's goal? Which must include either pornography, prostitution, forced labor, sexual exploitation, debt bondage, involuntary servitude, or slavery. It must include one of those or all of those, whichever case might be. The question of whether or not one qualifies for a T non-immigrant status. Do you qualify? Well, to qualify as a victim of human trafficking, those who are adults must prove at least one element of the three I just mentioned above, which are the process of trafficking, the means of trafficking, goal of trafficking. While children must show only process or goal, children must only show process of goal or goal of trafficking elements. In addition to these three elements, the victim must have been trafficked into the U.S. and be in the country. The victim must have been trafficked into the U.S. and is currently in the country. So you can't be out of the country and to apply for the T visa status. Okay, eligibility. To be eligible for the T visa, you must fulfill several criteria as follows. You must be a victim of human trafficking as defined above in legal documents. You must have been trafficked into the U.S. and currently be within the U.S., American Samoa, the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, or at a U.S. port of entry. You must be willing to cooperate with law enforcement agencies to help in their investigation. You are released from this requirement of cooperation if you are a child under the age of 18, you have suffered substantial physical or mental trauma. You must show that sending you back from the U.S. would make you suffer extreme hardship or severe harm. This can be done by proving that you will not be able to get medical assistance in your home country as in the US, proving that your government will not offer good protection, proving that you would be stigmatized in your home country as a victim of human trafficking. There are other examples as well. You must be admissible in the US and not have broken any immigration laws or rules. If you are inadmissible, then you can file Form I-129, application for advance permission to enter as a non-immigrant. Now, the question of whether one qualifies or not for the T status. To qualify as victims of human trafficking, those who are adults must prove at least, I think we just actually went on that one. Okay, let's go here. What are the benefits of the TVisa? There are quite a few. And it is a humanitarian relief for those who are victims of trafficking. Once the TVisa is given to the victim of human trafficking, they are automatically given benefits that are similar to those of refugees. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office of Refugee Resettlement must certify the person was a victim in order to qualify for those benefits. In addition, the T visa holder automatically gets an employment authorization document, ability to work, without needing to apply for one. The employment authorization document grants them the right to work in any legal activity, part or full time, and at whatever period they choose to do so. How long is the T visa valid for? The T visa, similarly to the U visa, is valid for a maximum of 4 years. During these 4 years, the primary T visa holder can open a bank account, get a driver's license, enroll in academic or vocational study, and find employment. After this period expires, the person must return to their home country or face legal issues. However, under exceptional circumstances, the person can apply for an extension or change of status with the USCIS. Can one get a green card on a T visa? As a primary T visa holder, one may also have the option of filing for permanent residence and not just extension of status. If that application is approved, then you get a green card and you can remain in the United States with all the rights that permanent residents have. To be eligible for the green card, you must meet these requirements. You must have been in the United States for at least 3 years and 3 years on a T visa. You must have assisted with the investigation for the human trafficking crime you were a victim of. You must pass a good character assessment. And you must prove that you would suffer extreme hardship if you were returned to your home country. You must also be admissible to the U.S. or have seek a waiver if you are not. Now, if you meet the eligibility requirements criteria, then you can file Form I-485, application to register permanent residence or adjustment of status. Based on this, your application will be processed and a response will be given to you. During the time you await response for your status, you can continue working. Now, finally, can my family and dependents accompany me with a T visa? Yes, is the short answer. There are different types of T visas, and most of them are for family members and dependents. Your spouse, children, parents, and siblings may accompany you to the U.S. with a T visa. Okay? So that's brief on T visas. If you want more detailed information or you believe you may be a victim of human trafficking and you need to speak to an attorney about that, please feel free to contact us at Ivy Law Office and we'll be happy to assist you. You can reach us on our website at ivylawoffice.com, ivylawoffice.com, or you can reach us by phone 301 276 0887. 301 276 0887. We represent clients throughout the United States. Most of our practice is streamlined and it's tech oriented and it's virtual practice as well as in office practice. So if you need our assistance, wherever you are, give us a call, reach us on our website, send us an email. You can reach me directly via email from the website, and we'll be happy to assist you with your need for T visas. Okay? All right. Otherwise, if you are a victim, don't stay put. Get some help. Call the authorities, and then you can take care of everything else you need to take care of. We'll be happy to assist you. Okay. All right. This is Attorney Wilberforce Agyekum. I'll talk to you next week. All right. Bye bye.